Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestor.com. I'd like to share with you another brief update. This is the what's left of the 1971 Ford F250 regular cab long bed camper special. So an earlier video near the beginning, we shared with you where we had the cab, the bed, and there was a bunch of bits and parts in it. We had a couple of patch panels. There was no front clip on it. It had a seized engine, which was a driveline we weren't going to use. So a lot has happened since then. The motor, in earlier videos, the motor and tranny was removed. We're putting a newer, better engine and driveline in. So the engine was removed. We removed the cab. We set the cab on a dolly. We did all kinds of metal work. So it's got new floors, new rails, new cab corners. So with all the metal work completed on the cab, we concentrated on the frame. So we've got the bed, which we'll share with you in another video. We took the bed off, we performed some repairs on that, and then we're removing all the components, or most of the main components, off of the frame. So we still have the mounts that are on, but we removed all of the things like the shocks and brake lines and fuel lines, and there was some wiring over the years that were attached to the frame. So they basically have removed all of that. When you come towards the back, there's not much left. We've got our parking brake cables, which are C, so we'll be removing the parking brake cables, and then there'll be a rolling chassis. So then from there, what we'll do is we're going to pressure wash, degrease the whole frame, and then after that, what we'll do is we'll get ready to get it all cleaned up and sanded and prepped, and then we're going to do a two-part epoxy to seal the metal, and then we're going to do a black top coat, which will really do a nice job, make it look all pretty again. So lots of work on it, so not much truck left here. So this is the basically the rolling chassis, if you will, of the 1971 Ford F250 Camper Special. I thank you for watching. I'm John from Last Chance Auto Restore.